Good morning, guys. My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet YouTube channel. Today we've got Miss Avi here and we're adding a backup camera, which you may have already seen me do this entire thing in a full stereo install video, but I wanted to make it specific to just the backup camera today. So it's already installed and I've got the clips to show you guys here in a minute. I do want to say that if you want to see the how to install it into your stereo, that honestly is going to depend a lot on what kind of stereo you have, and you're going to have to take your inside apart. Let me show you that real quick. So you'll have to remove your center console and your this center console piece as well. That's the double DIN install video. I will put a link to it or drop it in the comment in the description below and show you guys that entire process. So what I'll be showing you today is essentially all the wiring. It went right along this side all the way to the back. Let's dive on in after the intro. Alright, so we haven't got our backup camera all the way wired up, but I want to show you guys how I did it. I wish I had recorded it, but I didn't. We went right through here with the wire. I'll take out this tail light and show you guys in just a second. But inside the car, to even get to that point, we need to close that. We're just gonna, it makes it easier if you pull that out, the target top latch. Then there's a little screw on for the cargo holder right there. Pull that out, pop open that, throw it to the side. Then you just give it a nice little pull. This should come out easy. Be careful because this light, as you can see, is on, and there is a connector back here. Let me grab a tool. Grab the pick to just kind of pull this plug out. Is just a tab so the pick gets it out. Now you can set that out of your way and I can show you the rest of the good. Alright, so as you can see, there's a vent here on the driver's side and the wires run up underneath this carpet here. I don't know if I can, no, they're tucked pretty far. So we ran that wire under here, under that carpet, all the way up, and it pokes out right there. Right now, working towards the front, all the wiring. Again, I should have recorded all this, but I didn't. So that wire, just zip tied it up, put a little bit of duct tape right there, hold down. They went through the vent. From this vent, you can reach it from the taillight. Let me show you that. With your taillight, I have two torque bits. They're T15s to take out my taillight. And then my taillight will come free, and we can look inside of here with some light. As you can see, there's those wires, and you can see I've zip tied them up there. They come all the way around, zip tied one more time just to try and keep it all nice and neat, and then that wire goes through. Hopefully you can see my fingers over there, just right through that hole. And that leads you right through there to there. So if you're wondering how to do it, that's how to do it without drilling into the tub itself. I guess that's what I call it, the tub there. Because I really didn't want to have to do that. So I'm glad that this vent is right inside the driver's side. Now at the second pair of hands and some double sticky, we got that backup camera put on. So now we've got an amazing view on the inside. Everything's done. I guess I locked it. I didn't mean to do that. Well, in the C5 fashion, key fob doesn't want to work. But there we are. Beautiful. Looks great. I love it. Let's get some pictures here. There we go. If If this helped you out, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much. There we go. There's our backup camera. It's set. Check out that bug back there. Ooh, got some content coming. So there we go. Oh, there's an R2 mama. She poked her head in. If you guys enjoyed this video, if it helped you out, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click the red subscribe, and we will catch you in the next video. Have a great night, and God bless y'all.